So Angela, the task is simple. Just say MC Casino, funny by nature. 10th of May, Eco Hotel, be there.
That's all.
That's all.
Okay. MC Casino, funny by nature. 10th of May, Eco Hotel, be there.
Stop.
Be there.
No, you are not getting it right.
How now?
Yeah,
Wait till I talk.
Yes, hold on. It's my show. Yeah?
Okay.
So just focus on the show because the way it's not like you are promoting your own show. You don't understand. See, just say no need to shake body because people now can't lose interest for my show. They're going to show more interest for your show.
Okay.
You know that even as you even shake your own show now, me now come the day distracted. You come like say I don't know what they do. Okay, see now just talk the people who want to perform. Just say Agoda will be there, Gordons will be there, The Stalker will be there, Nice will be there, Hammer Boy will be there, Edo Piki will be there. That's all. There you go.
Okay, let's do it now. Agoda will be there, The Stalker will be there, Nice will be there.
No.
Everybody, all the funny. What's happening now?
Stop this kind of nonsense now. What have you say I don't get sense? Advertise my show, you advertise your own cups.
I don't understand what you
Tell me I don't understand. That's what they always do for Lagos.
You know, send me be actress and I be producer. If you want, make people watch your film, whether for cinema, whether for Netflix, whether for YouTube, you go dance. And if you want dance, you go shake with it.
Madam.
You go shake.
Your shake they tough past my show, madam.
Me get nash, me get breast. Make I use that dance for you. Make people come buy your tickets.
Madam,
they help you.
Madam, that's why this not be cinema. I just go beg you. Because before you know now, my contact don't suppose they call me say, Casino, how can I get ticket for your show? Don't begin call me Casino. And that actress, Angela, how can I get her contact? Before you know my contact, go buy you best. They don't go buy tickets.
Casino, a win is a win.
Not be win. Not be
a win is a win.
No, not be win.
After they call you to buy tickets, they will still call you for my number.
No.
I mean, you know what make I win?
No, not be you
want
win.
I'm trying to help you.
But I may pay for a go hotel now. And now I know why actress they get money pass out of for this Lagos. And this money before you know now.
It's a casino, no, it's not me. No, it's not me. Now help by the try help you. Which kind of rubbish with this one now?
See this one no.
Which kind of rubbish with this one? I don't try help you. I get my answer you come make I come follow you do adverts. I don't follow you do adverts and you tell me I will take do one. She me go do the adverts the way we go make people come and buy the ticket. What the hell is wrong with you?
This is your advert.
What is wrong with you?
It's not going to make people come and show. It will make people come for their house. Your advert will make them come in their home.
You have to arise.
Don't arise anybody.
Then we arise.
See, I beg, Puna Court, I beg, I don't listen as soon as I be for Lagos. Not near my show. I don't want to see you.
No, see, I will not die. That your show I go near her.
Not come my show.
I go there.
I don't want to see you my show.
I
don't want to see.
I go sit down for.
Stop doing this to me, oh. Stop doing this to me, oh. I will come, oh.
Come now.
I will come, oh. I will come, oh.
To buy tickets.
It's MC Casino, funny by nature, live in Eco Hotels, Lagos. Happening live on the 10th of May, 2026.